Hey everyone, Steve here from Tap to Drain, and welcome to another astounding episode of Tap to Drain TV. In this episode, part 2 of our focus on Poly-B, we wanted to give you our best tips for working with your insurance provider. No one wants to experience water or sewer damage, but the chances are pretty good. At some point in your life, as a homeowner, you will have to. If you have Poly-B in your home, those chances rise exponentially. So what can you do to make it easier? Let's get started. Tip 1. Turn off the water. I know this seems obvious, but in a panic situation, it can be hard to think. If you remember this one thing, you are ahead of the curve. Tip 2. Know your coverage. No one reads their policies, but it is important. If you have Poly-B, this is even more essential. Do you have the coverage? What is your deductible? How many claims can you make before they cancel your coverage? Our best tip is to talk to your broker. Tip 3. Call your insurance provider and be nice to your adjuster. Have your policy number ready. Most of the time, the emergency number is on your policy. Under stress, it can be hard to be patient, but they are there to help and will help you more if you are patient and polite. I can't tell you how many times we have seen delays because of a client was rude. Tip 4. You are in control. Most times your adjuster will provide you with a list of companies they work with, and you can choose. This applies to the companies being paid for by the insurance company, remediation, or contractor who repairs the damage. Big thing to remember here is that your insurance will never pay to repair the original source of the damage. So say your Poly-B line in the upstairs bathroom cracks, leaks water all through your home for the 8 hours that you're at work. Major damage occurs. Insurance will pay to repair all the damage, but you are responsible for the repair to the pipes. Since you pay for the repair, you can call whoever you choose. I suggest us. Tip 5. Have your Poly-B replaced before you have major damage. Water is lazy, and even a small amount can cause damage within your walls. You might not see it till it requires mold remediation and drywall repairs. These take time and are super inconvenient. Tap to Drain has an exclusive way to replace the Poly-B in your home, from start to finish, including minimal drywall repair and paint matching. In most cases, we can have the entire house repiped in 2 days with minimal inconvenience to you. Plus, it's not as expensive or inconvenient as having to repipe and repair water damage. If you have any questions, we are here to answer them, so please don't ever hesitate to call. We have worked with some amazing emergency remediation and restoration companies, and will happily give you some names to call. If you don't know how to turn your water off, call us. Most of the time we can walk you through it over the phone. If not, we have nice guy techs who can come out and help. Homes with Poly-B are getting harder and harder to insure, and the deductibles can be astronomical. Save yourself the heartache and get your Poly-B replaced. Make sure to check out our blog for more information on what Poly-B looks like and how to deal with your home insurance provider. Next week I will show you some ways you can decrease the damage caused by leaks if you have Poly-B in your home and replacing it isn't an option right now. Thank you for watching Tap to Drain TV. I'm Steve, and I'll see you next episode.